Hello, welcome back to our English Conversation series. Before we dive into today's gym conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, you will find the vocabulary used in this video.
Phew. This is a lot harder than it looks.
First day.
You bet. I'm determined to get in shape.
That's the spirit. Need a hand with that form?
Really? I'd love some pointers.
Sure thing. Let's start with adjusting your posture.
Okay, I think I got it.
Great. Remember, slow and controlled movements are key.
Thanks, Alex. You're a lifesaver.
No worries, Maya. We all start somewhere. Just keep showing up, and you'll see results.
I will. Thanks for the encouragement. Phew. I'm feeling the burn.
You did great on your first day.
Thanks again for the help. I was trying to figure out what I was doing at first.
Everyone feels that way at the beginning. Don't be afraid to ask the questions.
That's good to know. I'm surprised how friendly everyone is.
The gym community can be pretty supportive.
I can see why people love coming here. It's more than just working out, it's like a community.
Exactly.
Let's meet again tomorrow. My workout session is over today.
And that's a wrap for today's gym conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. Pointers, a helpful piece of information or advice. Posture, the position in which someone holds their body when standing or sitting. Community, a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app. Like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel for more fresh and engaging English conversations.